When you imagine a coral reef, you are likely thinking about a colorful, shallow marine ecosystem similar to the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia. What might surprise you is that these ecosystems only account for 20% of the possible coral reef habitat worldwide. The remaining 80% can be found in deeper regions of the ocean known as Mesophotic coral reef ecosystems. Mesophotic coral reef ecosystems are located between 30 and 150 meters depth. And though corals play an important role in these habitats, in many Mesophotic regions, macroalgae are more abundant. Macroalgae, or seaweeds, are similar to land plants in that they require light to create energy and provide habitat, shelter, and food for the animals around them. A challenge facing macroalgae living at mesophotic depths is that light is limited in these environments. Similar to what you'd experience in a dense forest where plants shade the ground, in the ocean, water removes light before it is able to reach the sea floor. As we travel deeper, the environment becomes darker and darker, eventually reaching the mesophotic coral ecosystems, where light levels can be 1% of what is present at the surface. Even under these conditions, macroalgae are highly abundant. But how do they do it? My thesis project focuses on understanding how these abundant organisms survive even under these conditions where light barely reaches them. By analyzing how macroalgae collect and capture light, even at the small amounts that they receive, and how efficiently they utilize this light, I hope to provide a foundation for understanding the adaptations, their adaptations to these low-light conditions. With this foundation, I hope it should help us better understand these habitats, these mesophotic coral ecosystems, which are relatively untouched by the effects of humans. Because of this, mesophotic coral ecosystems, which are supported by macroalgae, may serve as an important refuge for shallow reef organisms, which face the challenges of sea surface warming and human